parcel from Adidas. We don't know what's inside. Let's have a look.
Oh, there's like some shoes. Yes, one. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! We got the new boots! We got the new white.
Oh my gosh.
We got the new white and red boots.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no way.
I need to fill them. I'm wearing these tomorrow for my football match, man. I'm going to score bangers.
I'm wearing these today, bro. I think I'm wearing these today as well. 10 out of 10.
Oh, definitely 10 out of 10.
Definitely 10 out of 10. Oh, yeah. I ain't getting no blisters in these.
These fit perfect.
Oh, yes, bro. Bravo, these are sick. I'm definitely wearing my red gloves with my red boots.